Nick Daly from Penfro Cricket Club. I've been junior organiser, player, captain, committee member for 26 years. What gives me pride of this club is the togetherness of the players and members, and the work we do for the community, and the respect and work from the community to us has been amazing for the last 10-15 years. It's been amazing, and I think our club is a benchmark for other clubs to become, to help other communities and develop the youngsters.
I'm Rachel Sander and I'm the ladies captain at Penfro Cricket Club. When I look around Penfro Cricket Club as it is now, I think there is a great sense of pride in the club. It's a real community club, and I think that's down to one very simple thing, and that's the people. I think in any sort of club and community and project, it's always the people. The friends, the families, the players and the supporters really make this club what it is today. One thing I'm really proud of is the formation of a ladies cricket team here at Penfro, which we did last year with the help of Pete and Nick and a lot of the lads and ladies. I think the ladies team really epitomises the inclusivity in this club. We're inclusive, we're not exclusive. We've got a really eclectic bunch of ladies that came to play for us last year. We've got youngsters who played cricket before through school. They're really talented. They're now going on through the regional programmes. We've got ladies that never picked up a cricket bat before, never picked up a cricket ball before, and they're just all here. They're all enjoying it. We're all encouraging each other. So I've been involved with the club for about 18 years, on and off, back and forth, and it's a really exciting time at Penfro Cricket Club right now because of the way we are a community club. We're a family, really. We're more than just the sport, we're more than just the team. We are for each other.
Martin Jones, Cricket Development Officer with Sports Pembrokeshire. Delighted to be here in Penfro Cricket Club today, where they've been nominated for the Community Club in Pembrokeshire, a very well deserved award for all the great work that they're doing.
Hi, I'm Pete Kingdom, Secretary and Second Team Captain at Penfro Cricket Club. Very honoured to be asked to come and speak to you all today in regards to what we do at Penfro. The last 10 years has been quite revolutionary at Penfro in regards to the development of the teams we've got here, the development of the facilities. Over the last 5 years we've invested heavily in training equipment and support networks around all of the teams to fully establish our junior setup and our ladies team that recently entered into the hardball league, the softball leagues, and into more recently the indoor league. The development of both the senior teams has been great over the last 5 years. I think it was about 10 years ago we only had one team in the bottom divisions, where we've now developed to having a first team in the first division for the first time in about 50 years, and our second team, which is getting better and better and should be looking for promotion this year. Just reflecting back on some of the charity work that we've been doing recently, it's been an honour really to be working with some local charities and some charities further afield up in Aberdeen. We've raised just over £16,600 in the last calendar year, money going towards Signpost to Cymru for mental health support and intervention, for homeless Pembrokeshire, for local groups and charities such as Break the Stigma and Penna Community Hall, and more importantly to us for Callum Jones, one of our players who was injured with a neck injury at the start of last summer. For me, Penfro, we're going through another transitional period, not only from a playing side of things, but from off the pitch as well. And one of the biggest projects moving forward, we are looking to develop our changing room facilities in regards to building our own pavilion here over the next 4 to 5 years. And I think we've established ourselves as a community club, and I think projects such as new changing rooms, such as the development of our net facilities and things like that, will only establish us further as being the hub of cricket in Penfro.